If you don't want anyone altering the settings on your computer, in Windows 10 you can quickly prevent this by disabling access to the Settings app and the Control panel using the local group policy editor and the Registry. This not only ensures your configurations will be preserved all the time, but it also helps stop users from modifying settings accidentally.
Welcome to Newbie Computers channel.
Open Group Policy Editor by typing gpedit.msc on search box. Click to open it. Browse the following path. User configuration. Administrative templates. Control panel. Select Prohibit access to Control panel and PC settings, double-click to open it. Select the enabled option. Click Apply and OK button. After you complete these steps, users won't be able to open the Settings app, and those who try to open the Control panel will see this message: this operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. If you want to change the settings back, you can always use the same instructions, but make sure to select the Not Configured option. Now I will show you how to disable settings and control panel using Registry. Open Registry Editor by typing regedit on search box. Browse the following path. hkey_current_user. Software. Microsoft. Windows. Current version. Policies. Explorer. Right-click on the right side, select New, and then click on the word 32-bit value. Name the key No Control panel and press Enter. Double-click the newly created D word and set the value from 0 to 1 to enable this option. At any time you can revert the changes by deleting the No Control panel key. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe.
Thank you.